Hello and welcome, friends. Today, we bring you a story that bridges faith, war, and patriotism. In 2025, amidst intense India-Pakistan tensions, something unbelievable happened again. Pakistani missiles and bombs failed to explode near the Tano Mata temple. Was it a miracle, a coincidence, or divine intervention just like in 1965 and 1971? Let's dive into a tale of faith and fortitude, of how a goddess once again protected her land and people. Who is Tano Mata? Tano Mata, revered as the goddess of war, is a divine form of goddess Hinglas. Her temple is located near the India-Pakistan border in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer district, just 20 kilometers from the border. For decades, locals and soldiers have believed that she watches over the land, especially during war. Pilgrims often visit Ghantiali Mata, believed to be her sister, before offering prayers at Tano. It is more than a temple, it's a symbol of divine protection for Bharat Mata, Mother India. Miracles of 1965 and 1971. In 1965, Pakistan launched heavy shelling near Tano. Over 3,000 bombs were dropped in the area, and yet, not a single one exploded near the temple. BSF and Indian Army soldiers stationed there were stunned. They built stronger shrines and began worship rituals, convinced of her divine intervention. In 1971, during another Indo-Pak war, Pakistani tanks tried to breach the area but were destroyed before reaching the temple. Pakistani Colonel Shah Nawaz Khan even offered silver umbrellas at the temple after the war, a token of fear and respect. These are preserved in the temple's museum today. 2025 The Post, Operation Sindoor, Retaliation. In 2025, India conducted Operation Sindoor, a high-precision strike on terror camps deep inside Pakistani territory. In retaliation, Pakistan launched a barrage of missiles, drones, and bombs along the western front, particularly near Tano. Dozens of advanced Pakistani drones dropped warheads across the Jaisalmer border belt. But in an eerie repetition of history, the bombs that landed near the Tano temple simply did not explode. Eyewitnesses include local villagers and temple priest Pandit Ravi Shekhar Upadhyay, who called it Mata's divine shield. Not a single civilian or soldier was harmed in the zone around the temple. Faith of Indian soldiers. The Border Security Force, BSF, manages and protects the Tano Mata temple. BSF Dig Yogendra Singh Rathore visited the temple after the failed missile strikes. With folded hands, he said, "Without Mata's blessings, we could not protect this land." For soldiers stationed in hostile zones, Mata's temple is not just a place of prayer, it's a symbol of unbreakable morale. They perform aarti every evening, and before going to combat, they seek Mata's blessings. Bombs fail, belief triumphs. The Indian Army's bomb disposal squads were deployed to investigate the duds. They confirmed that several of the bombs were live, but had malfunctioned mid-air. Meanwhile, villagers from the nearby Tano settlement of 300 people stood firm. One elder told the press, "We have no fear. As long as Mata is with us, nothing can harm us." In a country of billions, this one shrine continues to be an unshakable fortress of hope. Technology vs divinity? Skeptics argue it could be India's cutting-edge air defense system like Akash Tir or Swati radars that jammed or intercepted the strikes. And yes, India's defenses have evolved, but why did only the bombs around the temple zone malfunction? Was it a flaw in Pakistani tech? A coincidence? Or, as many believe, was it Mata Tano's energy field that once again absorbed the damage? Even seasoned army officers admitted, something beyond explanation saved us. When devotion meets defense. Tano Mata temple is not just stone and mortar, it's the soul of India's western border. In 1965, 1971, and now in 2025, it stood as an impenetrable shield, not because of steel walls, but because of faith. Whether you believe in miracles or not, one truth is clear, the story of Tano inspires millions. As the world witnesses modern warfare, Tano reminds us that some powers still lie beyond missiles and machines. Have you ever visited Tano Mata's temple? Would you like to? Let us know in the comments, like this video, and share it with every proud Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Mata Di.